Savannah is literally giving free orders for every minute. And you can be a lucky winner too if you keep trying every day. There are 9 more days left and it's never late. I got my order and you will get it too for sure. Hi everyone, it's me Siri. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about Savannah's every minute order sale. If you think this is scam or this is fake, let me tell you with proof. I got it and I'm sure you will get it too. There is more time left and you can get your order for free as well. In this video I'll be sharing with you very important tips and tricks that will help you get a free order for yourself. If you don't believe me, watch this video till the end. I'm sure you will also be a lucky winner. If you don't already know what this every minute order sale is, so this sale is conducted by Savannah every year, and now the anniversary month of Savannah is going on, so they're having a lot of discounts, offers, coupons going on their site. For example, there was this ₹1 sale recently, but that turned out to be a scam. But this one, it's not fake, because I'll be receiving an order very soon and I'll be making a video on it also very soon. Once the parcel arrives, I'll be making a video about it. So let me tell you about the sale first. The offer is available only for a limited period of time, so you can check their website or app for clear dates. I guess there are 9 more days remaining. I'll put the dates on the screen as a screenshot. You can check it out live if you want by opening the app. If you get a free order, you will be paying literally nothing. And if you don't get a free order, you may get a coupon that has a lot of discount, like 80%. But still, you'll have to try for free order because almost everybody is getting it and you will get it too. It's very easy to participate in this event. All you have to do is open the Savannah app, choose the products you like, add them to cart, and select COD and place an order. After that, you will either get a free order or a coupon that gives you a lot of discount, and that's how you can literally participate in this event. That's just so simple and easy. Now coming to the tips and tricks, very important part of the video. When you're choosing your product, make sure you choose the top 4 items in the grid and one with the highest price, so that you'll be getting that amount in your wallet. For example, if you choose a product that is worth 800, only 800 rupees will be credited into your wallet. And if you choose a product which is higher than that, for example 1800 rupees will be credited into your wallet. So make sure you choose the product that has the highest value, and make sure you remove the coupon that gets applied by default while you check out. If I had removed my coupon, I would have gotten 300 rupees more, but I did not check for that and I lost my 300 rupees there. So you don't make this mistake. It won't take lot of time for the money to be credited into your wallet. Immediately after you place the order, the money will be credited into your wallet. So make sure you check your wallet if you get a coupon called free order. It's another thing that is you can only place one free order from one device. So make sure you try from multiple devices to get the free offer. At least one device will definitely work out for you. There is another trick I want to share with you. I don't know if this is factual or not. I tried it, but it did not work for me, but maybe it can work for you, and that is to place the order exactly within 5 seconds. Now, when you open the Savannah app, when you click on the banner called free order every minute, you'll be getting a timer like this. When the timer is at 5 seconds, you will have to place an order on another device. Make sure you add the product you want into the cart and then click on place order only when the timer is set at 5 seconds. To check the timer, use another device. You can also try this when many users are not active on this app, for example early in the morning or late at night when many people are sleeping. So you can try then. If you're a first time user, you'll be getting 500 points initially. So make sure you buy a coupon using this 500 points and you'll get extra discount during the checkout. What I did was I got a 300 rupees coupon with 200 points, and I used it during checkout and I got a lot of discount. Here are some important points you need to remember. Not every order gets a free order, so make sure you check out what is yours, because it may be a free order or you'll be getting a discount coupon, so make sure you check it out first. This is only available exclusively during this offer period. Make sure you go to Savannah app and first check if the offer is still running or not. By the time I upload this video, it may be still running, but there will not be much time left. And I know you have watched this video and you might be very clear about the event, and I think this much is enough to get free order from Savannah. Anyhow, you can just go to their app and check out their terms. If I have missed something, you can just comment down so that even others can know what I've missed out. Rewards are usually given as Savannah credits and not cash. That means you can only place order using this money only on Savannah app. You cannot place order anywhere else, for example on Myntra or Amazon. At first, I literally thought this was a scam and many influencers were lying. But when I tried it out myself, I did get a free order, and the product has already been shipped out, and I'll be receiving it very soon. And I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Not just me, even my sister got her order as free. So it's not fake, let me tell you. And it's very easy to get free order. Just keep trying and I'm sure you'll get it. If you have any doubts, you can always approach me through my Instagram or my YouTube ID, and you can leave a comment and I'll definitely respond. I hope you will also be one of those lucky winners and you'll get your order for free. Thank you for watching till here, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.